Good evening and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got the original wheels for this 1979 Camaro Z28. And I'm really debating on getting rid of this Cragar type Pro Star wheel and going back with these original steel wheels that came on the car back in 1978. So I need you guys' input on this. So if you would, down in the comments, tell me, do the Star Cragar wheels look better? Or do the steel wheels look better? But anyhow, gonna be working on this as a project in the future. Got a couple more updates in this particular motor. It's currently got Pete Jackson gear drive, and I'm a little tired of the noise that this thing makes. So we're probably going to swap back out to a double roller and get rid of that. I still haven't put the Flowmaster FX series mufflers on it. It's got the Delta 40 series mufflers. So we're trying to calm this thing down a little bit, make it a little bit more quieter. I guess I'm getting old where I want to just tone it down just a little bit. Don't think I'm going to be drag racing. That's why I'm considering the wheels. So if you would please drop down in the comments, would you rather see the steel wheels on it, or do you think I should keep the Cragar drag stars on it? But anyhow, thanks for your time, and I will see you on the next video.